All right, so it's 2022. We always getting hit with a new virus, and a lot of people just want to know how they can make money at home. And today I'm gonna tell you ways you can make money from home with absolutely no money to start. So let's jump right into it. And the very first thing that I'm gonna recommend is mining cryptocurrency. Now, before you write that off, before you say no, you can't do that, let me explain to you that it literally takes no money and just a computer to start. Now, out of all the cryptocurrencies, I'm sure the most popular one that you've heard of is gonna be Bitcoin, right? Along with those, you've got Litecoin, you got Dogecoin, you got all type of coins coming. However, with crypto, it's not always about buying and selling. Sometimes you want to buy low and then hold until it gets high, or hold even beyond that. All right, so we know the Bitcoin is at about 19,000 right now, which is actually low from the 50,000 it was around this time last year. So you get the overall premise about how cryptocurrency works. Now let's talk about how you can make money mining it, because there are other coins, right, that you could mine for, valued at less than a Bitcoin, and you can get whole coins for mining. Now the process of mining is simple. There's pretty much software that you would install on your computer that pretty much uses your computer as just one of the many power sources to help mine and control transactions on a blockchain. While I wouldn't recommend mining Bitcoin right now, I know my boy Financial Wolf did a video on this, and I think his computer started sounding like a lawnmower. But what I would do is mine for smaller coins, because they will reward you in coin. And then as these go up, there were many millionaires made from when Dogecoin went up, when Litecoin went up. There were a lot of millionaires made from that. So here's a way for you to use your computer to mine and get coin in return. The second way that you can make money from home with absolutely no money to start is selling all your spare stuff on eBay. eBay makes it really easy to get rid of anything, because bro, I promise you, whatever item you think of, there are buyers lined up to get it. Because no matter how old or outdated you think an item is, there is someone out there on eBay who is searching for it. So eBay kind of bridges that gap. But even if you're thinking like, bro, nobody wants my old shirts, my old polos from my closet that I can't fit, you're wrong. What you got to realize is whether it's a collector, whether it's someone who lives somewhere where they don't sell those polos, or somebody who's just looking for that specific style shirt and they don't sell it in stores anymore and they don't care that it's used, there's always somebody looking for it. So go in your garage, right? Go in your closet, all the stuff that you just have laying around, stuff that you haven't touched in over a year. Go on eBay, right? And that's what I'm gonna give you some sauce. And I speak on this in all my eBay videos, right? Go to eBay, search for the item, right? Search the tag, look at the tag, search the item number, find out how much that item is selling for. And you'd be surprised to see that your Old Navy shirt that you can't fit anymore actually sells for a decent amount of change, right? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna gather all that stuff up, you're gonna sell it on eBay, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take all the money you make off that and hit the thrift stores, hit the garage sales, all that type of stuff, and then rinse and repeat that method. But that's for another video. Another way you can make money from home with absolutely no money to start, bro, is what I'm actually doing right now, and that's actually being a YouTuber. So I know what you're thinking, bro. You're like, bro, YouTube isn't fast, and you're 100% right. It is not fast. I mean, as any YouTuber, bro, this process is not an easy process. It's not fast, but it does not take any money to start. There are different several ways that people have actually automated making YouTube channels, right? And I'm talking about commentary channels where you don't even have to show your face, right? Especially if you're one of those teenagers who are always on TikTok. What you should do is gather all those TikToks, right? And make your own most interesting channel on YouTube. I mean, these are those type of videos you see a lot of the top 10 type videos. That's literally all it is to it. Just consistently uploading that, right? And a lot of people are thinking like, but wouldn't it be a while till I get monetized? This is what you got to understand. There is more than one way to monetize a YouTube channel, right? If you've got views, if you got attention, then you've got money pretty much, because there are always people that are willing to pay to get in front of your audience, people that are willing to pay to get the attention of your audience, right? If you're into stories, if you're into telling stories and you want to do voiceovers, right? You can go get royalty-free stock images, royalty-free music, royalty-free videos, and just create really good content, bro, and just upload it on YouTube. And if you can, every single day, and I promise you that you will definitely start making money 100% from home. The next business model, the print-on-demand business model. Print-on-demand is a sweet deal too, and That's actually, if you've watched my channel, been one of my most successful side hustles I've ever done. And where I went wrong was I used Etsy to do it. But what print on demand is pretty much, let's say this shirt that I'm wearing, shout out to my boys DC Souls. Let's say this shirt, I'm selling this shirt, right? I don't have any inventory. I don't have any shirts. I don't have any screen printers. I just have the idea, right? Well, there are actually printers who will say, hey, Rico, I will take this race car design, print it on a shirt for you, ship it to your customer. I charge you, let's say 13 bucks. You, whatever you charge your customer, that's between y'all. That's ultimately what print on demand is. However, print on demand is not just in the t-shirt business, right? Print on demand also exists and connects with another hustle that I've always done, which is graphic design. And so what I did was I was actually designing most motivational art and then had them printed through a print shop and then sent to my customer. So I was able to charge $200 and $300 for some of these prints because I was not aware that people paid as much money as they do to like hang stuff up on their walls. I was able to charge like $200 and $300 for these prints, and then boom, only pay 50, 80 bucks for them, right? So I was definitely like, I can remember mornings, bro, where I'm literally waking up to orders and I'm just like making $300, $400, $500, sometimes $600 in profit in a day, bro, just clicking buttons. I've never ever physically touched none of those works, none of those designs I did, by the way. They all went straight from the printer right to my customer. I can definitely testify for the print on demand business. What you have to do is you have to have a good design, right? If you're not a graphic designer like me, there's several great graphic designers on Instagram. I will even link some of them below. You just need a great design, a great product, a place to sell it, and then boom, you're good. Another way that you've probably seen me cover here a lot recently in the past couple months is drop shipping, right? Drop shipping kind of works the same way as print on demand, except they're not printing anything for you. Drop shipping is, matter of fact, I want to change the language around drop shipping. We're talking about drop shipping, but what drop shipping really is especially if you're interested in doing it, you need to start thinking in terms of becoming a marketer and ultimately a research marketer, right? Because what drop shipping is basically, like I said, the same as print on demand. However, let's say on my site on ricocopeland.com, I have this phone listed for $100, right? Once again, I don't have inventory on this phone. There's a supplier over here who, when I make a sale on the phone, they charge me 30, 50 bucks for the phone. They ship the phone to my customer. I keep the profits. That's what drop shipping is. The reason why I say that drop shipping is ultimately more marketing than anything else is because drop shipping is all about, and the reason why I say drop shipping is all about research, is all about product research and marketing. And that's because you have to do a really good job at that to sell this product for $100 when you're getting this product for $30. You see what I mean? But in today's world, drop shipping is evolving because TikTok has become like a hotbed for drop shipping business models, and that's because the attention that TikTok has, the reach that it has with the ads, you could, with a good product and the right ad, you could definitely make hundreds of thousands of dollars a month from your home drop shipping, right? So if you've even watched this far to the end of the video, bro, that ultimately means that you want to like my core fans, bro. And this is my first video since we got this, bro, and I just want to thank everybody, bro, all my day ones people, bro. There's people in my comments that been down with me since I was like had 200 subscribers, bro, and I really appreciate y'all for this, bro. Like, it's unreal. I didn't even think I would ever get to this point, bro, but we here and now we want the gold one, bro. So man, we did this, bro. Rico gang, I love y'all, bro. Let's get it.